Imagine opening Spotify and realizing your favorite song wasn't made by a human at all. No band. No singer. Just an algorithm. Well, that future isn't years away, it's already here. In 2025, AI-generated tracks are topping Spotify's global charts, racking up millions of plays, and sparking one of the biggest debates in music history. Is this the evolution of art, or the end of human creativity? The rise of AI music. It started with small experiments. A few years ago, AI could barely put together a simple melody. Fast forward to today, and AI models can compose full symphonies, produce chart-ready pop tracks, and even mimic the voices of famous singers with eerie accuracy. Platforms like Suno, Jukedeck, and ELVIS are giving anyone, even those who can't play an instrument, the power to create music instantly. The result? The music industry is facing a revolution. How AI makes music. Here's the crazy part, AI doesn't just mash existing songs together. It learns. By analyzing millions of tracks, it understands rhythm, melody, harmony, and lyrical flow. Then it uses machine learning to generate entirely new pieces, sometimes so convincing that listeners can't tell they're AI made. In 2025, some labels are even quietly releasing AI music without telling fans, and nobody notices. The first AI hits on Spotify. In early 2025, the song Echoes in Neon, created entirely by an AI named Aurora Synth, became the first AI track to hit #1 on Spotify's global top 50. The track was streamed over 120 million times in 2 months, and no human played a single note. Since then, AI artists are getting stage names, cover art, and even virtual concerts in the metaverse. The music world is realizing, AI isn't just a tool, it's becoming the artist. Why people love it. Here's the thing, people aren't just listening to AI music out of curiosity. They genuinely enjoy it. AI tracks can be tailored to your exact mood, tempo preference, or even the time of day. Imagine waking up to a song generated just for you, or getting a personalized workout playlist where every track is a brand new creation. For listeners, it's exciting. For traditional musicians, it's terrifying. The big concerns. But not everyone is celebrating. Musicians and songwriters are warning that AI could flood the market with endless cheap music, making it harder for humans to compete. There are legal battles over voice cloning and copyright. And there's the big question, if AI creates a hit song, who owns it? The programmer? The platform? Or, nobody? Some fear that in a decade, 90% of streaming music could be AI made. How artists are fighting back. Many human artists are adapting instead of resisting. Some are collaborating with AI to co-create tracks, blending human emotion with machine precision. Others are focusing on live performances, something AI can't replicate, at least not yet. New laws are also emerging to label AI music, so listeners can choose what they hear. But whether you like it or not, the AI music wave is growing. The future soundtrack. In the end, the question isn't whether AI will make music. It's whether we'll still value human-made music in the same way. The songs topping the charts in 2030 could be entirely artificial, or maybe the biggest hits will be born from human-AI partnerships. Either way, the soundtrack of the future is already being written, and your playlist might never be the same.